One of the more common themes I've seen as I've been doing Christian counseling is people struggling with perfectionism, people struggling with shame, people just trying to shame themselves into sanctification, trying harder to be that perfect Christian, to read their Bible more and to not lie and to not lust and to not steal and to just do everything right and just shaming themselves when they don't. That is not exactly a biblical approach to growing in our relationship with God. Let me tell you about one of my favorite words of the entire Bible. It's therefore. Therefore, in Romans 8:1, therefore there is now no condemnation in Christ Jesus. We quote this verse all the time and it is a very often quoted verse. However, we often forget what the therefore is there for, what precedes Romans 8:1. Let me tell you, it's Paul writing in Romans 7. In Romans 7, he says, "We know that the law is spiritual, but I am unspiritual, sold as a slave to sin. I do not understand what I do. For what I want to do, I do not do, but what I hate to do. And if I do what I do not want to do, I agree that the law is good." He goes on to say that whenever he tries to do good, evil is right there with him. He also says, "What a wretched man I am. Who will rescue me from this body of death?" This is Paul, the apostle, the missionary, talking about his relationship with God and his struggle with sin. And Paul, in his struggle with sin, as a believer, then writes, in light of all this struggle, therefore, there is now no condemnation in Christ Jesus. We need to understand that grace is not just for our salvation. Grace is for our growth and our relationship with God. Our job is not to try harder and to white knuckle through sin. Our job is to abide, to trust in God, to let Him sanctify and grow us so that He can get rid of the things that we struggle with. It's a shame I see so many people struggling with just shaming themselves. "Oh, I shouldn't do this. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I can't believe I did this again." Believe it. Go earlier in Romans chapter 3, "For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God." We all struggle with sin. It shouldn't be a shock. Now we should be repentant and ask for forgiveness. But God has forgiven us and He wants us to grow in our relationship with Him. Therefore, there is now no condemnation in Christ Jesus.